Good morning. So I was my usual coffee run this morning. Now decided to sit my ass in a park and just be. This morning I just need to be. Yeah, I decided to vlog because I think it's gonna be a cute day today, Saturday. I'm meeting my friend and her girlfriends for brunch in Soho, I believe. So it's gonna be like Women's Day get together. And then I'll have a few things, and then I'm grabbing dinner in Soho with a new friend as well. So I think it's gonna be a cute day in life. Let's see what we get up to. But for now, I just need to be. Went out last night again, so today I just need to decompress. The sun is coming out.
Oh, that's fun. So this is the first time you've ever had?
Such a gorgeous weather, but I'm running late as per usual. It looks like everyone's running late, so I'm fine. But it's such a beautiful day. It's like spring is here.
Shows and like just get
Aww. Oh, thank you.
a wonderful boyfriend.
I think we missed out on the best weather. Now it's
Looking pretty
back to gray.
big.
Fashion girlies. Fashion. Ooh.
I love that it's filming.
Like, oh, it's very happening. Yeah.
Why are you filming this?
You're asking what's happening. It's getting late now, hey now. Enough of the arguments. But she sips the Coca-Cola. She can't tell the difference yet. That's what you're coming for, but they don't wanna let you in it. You drop your back to the floor and you're asking what's happening. It's getting late now, hey now. Enough of the arguments. But she sips the Coca-Cola.
Documenting the newlywed. That's how you call them, the newlywed.
Newlyweds.
Yeah, the newlyweds.
Nearly new.
Nearly 5 weeks away.
5 weeks.
Oh, it's pretty. Hello.
Trying on wedding shoes.
Yes. Get the right size so then you can see. Beautiful.
They're cute, aren't they?
Yeah.
They're very cute. Definitely for the pink, don't you?
Yeah, the pink. Aww. I'm so excited I'm helping you in some shape or form. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm just existing. I'm just existing. Let's help a friend to pick her wedding shoes, which was very exciting. Oh, I love weddings, big celebrations, celebration of love. So so exciting. Now I'm just going on a walk to Harrods for Hyde Park. Browse Harrods, pick up a film, and then meet another friend. Oh, exciting Saturday.
She can't tell the difference yet. She can't tell the difference yet.
In Hyde Park. Oh, such a gorgeous day. It's so warm as well. I'm just only wearing like a tank, a Skims tank and a blazer. It's so warm. So nice.
For you, this bake it's like complete your
God. I'm in love.
I haven't done anything, so I can do that. If you like it, you take it.
Oh my God. Oh my God, she is stunning. Oh God.
So you go with flowers.
Oh wow. I'm getting a bag, a Gucci bag, another one. I was not supposed to, but here we are. Irresponsible. But it's very cute. You're gonna love it. Okay, yeah. I'm vlogging.
Got ready for the night in. She's heading for the lights, but she sees the vision going. Cupping line after line. See how she looks for trouble. See how she dances and she sips the Coca-Cola. She can't tell the difference yet. That's what you're coming for, but they don't wanna let you in. And you drop your back to the floor and you're asking what's happening. And it's getting late now, hey now. Enough of the arguments. But she sips the Coca-Cola. She can't tell the difference yet.
I'm gonna go for a dinner now. And yeah.
That's what you're coming for, but they don't wanna let you in. And you drop your back to the floor and you're asking what's happening. And it's getting late now, hey now. Enough of the arguments. But she sips the Coca-Cola. She can't tell the difference yet. She can't tell the difference yet.